Okay, so I can't remember where I left you guys, but we are checking out the Contemporary this morning and headed to Magic Kingdom. We are staying at Magic Kingdom till close, hopefully tonight, because we are just driving to my mom's house, which is about 3 hours away from here. So we'll be fine. 3 hours is nothing when you drive 19 hours to get here.
Yeah, nothing at all.
Nothing.
Like my new hat?
Oh my god, shut up. Anyway, so we'll see what kind of stuff we have for you guys on this vlog series. I feel like we recorded probably 30 minutes.
It's tough with 2 kids.
Walking over to the Magic Kingdom to our private temperature screening. I'm definitely going to buy a t-shirt. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, but it is aesthetic, so you guys see it? I don't know.
Save that for the Patreon.
Will you stop saying that? He always makes the same joke when Patreon like isn't even a thing anymore.
Save it for the OnlyFans, whatever.
You're so old, you're such a boomer. Waiting in line at Starbucks. Milo's eating his Devers.
Trips, I don't get one.
Okay, so we got the orange bird Christmas cake. I'm not even gonna eat any of it, but I made him get it. Here's like the cross section of it. It looks so good. All right, Marcy's gonna be our taste tester. What do you think?
Something in the middle, I didn't get any.
How many Marcy's would you give it?
10 to 7.5.
10 to 7.5?
No. 10 to 7.5.
Okay, we're in the wait for Tomorrowland Speedway. And the lines here look super long, but they're actually moving pretty fast. So a lot of them are just walking lines, but they are very intimidating and make you feel like you do not want to wait in any lines. Alright, we are in Skipper's Canteen, and we are in the sea room, and Milo is so excited. He's eating puffs.
We got to walk through a secret bookcase.
Yeah, okay. Got the Perkins Thai noodles, and we got the sea bass with a mango habanero on the side. Nona got 2 appetizers. I don't know how to say. That's the jungle greens, and that's something. And then steak and fruit for Marcy. And Milo just has puffs, and he just has puffs. Okay, so that was the most delicious thing I've ever eaten in a long time. It was very good. It was a kind of a small portion though, so I'm also going to get dessert.
I give my food 5 out of 5 Marcelines. This is delicious. I haven't used the habanero salsa.
Yeah, Roy's not a spicy boy, and he liked his.
Not a spice boy.
He sounds grabbing. And everybody else likes hers too. Okay, so I'll go through and show everybody exactly, or tell everybody exactly what they are. But this is some sort of mango bar. This is a congalouche. This is a panicati. And this is Marcy's Monkey Bites that came with her meal.
Taking photographs. The exception will be when eating or drinking while stationary. Is that Emporium line. If you want to exit to the left.
Hey dude. Hey dude.
Oh, I'm gonna get our picture with the Marceline sign real quick. I'll have to get our picture with the Marceline sign real quick before 2020 is over.
What does that say right there?
Marceline.
Yeah, whose name is that? Yeah, isn't it a beautiful name? Beautiful name for a beautiful girl. So graceful.
Alright, baby, you can sit back down.
Whoa.
We're going to know if you got it.
Keep going, muscles. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah, they changed it.
Push.
I think that's
Can do it.
Okay.
portable now, so it's not easier. Wait, I gotta help her. Are you sure she's gonna get more?
Yeah. There's another one.
It says apply credit card and wait 5 seconds. Instantly. You need help? There you go. You see someone show you how to do it? Oh, that's some hard work.
All right, let's see him. Show him to the camera.
So, here's Minnie.
Hold on, wait. Okay. There's Minnie.
Mickey. And then Goofy.
Goofy, so the last one must be your castle. Beautiful. Let's add them to your collection. Hey dudes. This is our last full day here in Florida. We're leaving tomorrow to head home to Pennsylvania.
But
We're going to this place called World's Largest Shell Factory.
And they have Subway.
Yeah?
It says it's very fun. But in Florida, like no one wears their mask outside. It's very weird.
They wear them in stores. I went in the Rite Aid or wherever,
Yeah, they wear
CVS.
them in stores, but that's not enough for more. So, okay, Dave. I mean, my stepdad. Okay, lady, you're already.
So we're at the shell factory. I'm not sure how they make shells here. I always thought that shellfish made them.
I'm definitely not going to Tommy's or anything over there because it all looks like COVID Central. Water. There's the guy. Okay, so here's the entrance to the nature park. Oh, I left my phone in the car. So they have a bunch of seashell night lights. And then here's all these. Oh look, just for me, Scorpio.
You can get stuff and build your. You don't even want to go down that aisle.
$10 you can decorate, right?
Go down there.
Okay, so we're done at the Shell Factory. It was a cute place, and the nature garden would be cute, but it's like $20 a person. Dave says it's normally free. But so the Shell Factory is cute. I got a little bit of in there, but honestly, it was making me feel really uncomfortable because nobody was wearing a mask. And coming from the state of Pennsylvania where we have a mask mandate, and when you're like outside walking your dog, it's not
entirely true that nobody was wearing a mask.
Yeah, most people, I actually would say about 80% of people were wearing a mask. I shouldn't be like that. But the people who weren't wearing a mask were the kind of people you would expect them to be wearing a mask. They were up my butt. This one lady came out of the bathroom, guns blazing, not wearing a mask, and she was inches from me. So I'm like, no, okay, this is enough. So I started having a panic attack, so I went to the car. And then I went back in for a little bit longer. And now we're in the car and we're going out to lunch. I don't know where we're going. My panic mode is already like sky high, so you better be eating outside. It is like 100 degrees outside. Yeah, Marcy got a toy from her grandparents, of course, but it is like 100 degrees outside, so I am okay with us eating outside. I'll be less nervous, but we'll see what happens. Did you guys see Roy's new hat? Oh yeah, you did. You definitely did. It's so ugly.